Welcome to Permissionless Day 1. I am here with Robert and
Kit.
and they were a part of the hackathon. Can y'all tell me about what y'all built over the hackathon?
We did a couple of things. So we went after the Supra challenge, and we have a platform that we've already built, and it's a decentralized database. It has SocialFi built into it. The challenge was we want SocialFi in the Supra. At the end of the day, the people I brought are very green, and I brought them not to win the hackathon, but to learn how these things work. And met part of the requirements, but not all of them. I gave your team our source code from our application that works on Solana. So all you have to do is port it. You have your entire SoFi done.
That's exciting. So essentially maybe planting the seed for future hackers to maybe grow into this a little bit more.
Right. I teach these courses called Building Builders Workshops. So I teach people how to code. I've been doing, my first language was COBOL on the mainframe. So I don't know if you could tell, I'm a boomer. I've been coding for years. I'm a federal executive that I'm retiring this year and founded this company.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And I'm done with that. But I have built two of the largest information systems in the world working for the federal government. So I'm bringing that into this space, and I'm teaching young coders how not just, okay, I can bang out Rust, I can bang out Solana, I can do all this stuff. But do they know how to do it consistently? Do they know how to do it through process? Do they understand what standards are and how they are applied in this space?
That's fair.
So that's the core of what this company that I'm founded is doing. We are bridging Web 2 people who everybody understands.
Cool.
How do they bring things into Web 3? So we're bringing that thing around. So far, we've had a couple of government contracts under our belts already. So we're going to be doing more hackathons, bringing more teams. I'm trying to get 4 to 5 new teams this year to get into the space. And then the second challenge we did was Layer, and we took their Layer protocol and put it into our tech stack. So we don't use Node.js. We don't use React. We don't use Flutter. We built our own tech stack that's cleaner, smaller, better, faster.
That sounds super exciting about everything you'll have going on. If somebody wanted to learn more about maybe you and what you're building, where could they find you?
I'm everywhere. If you can zero in the net, just Google me. You can find Wetzel. That's my Twitter. That's my Discord. It's my LinkedIn. It's my whatever.
My last name is Wenzel.
Yeah.
Chase Wenzel, and you were Robert Wetzel. We might be maybe down the line some Germanic roots somewhere. All right, awesome. And so tell me y'all's favorite part about the hackathon. I will start with you, Kit.
Actually, I was really surprised with the different team collaborations, people coming from different areas and different backgrounds, education, experiences, and able to just collaborate and have built a camaraderie. And it actually took a lot of the intimidation out because you can have someone that actually calls themselves a coder versus you have someone that says, I'm just here to have fun. I can make graphics, but they do the best dang graphics that it can make. It's a fun experience. It's because if you want to find people, like-minded individuals and just vibe, you can actually just come in and learn.
I'm glad you had a great time. And I always end these interviews with just a random question. I will start with you. Is a hot dog a sandwich or is it a hot dog? You could think about this if you need to. Kit, is a hot dog a sandwich or a hot dog?
It's actually a sandwich.
Another sandwich on the board.
Say the same thing because all I eat is meats and sandwiches. So that seems like that's the meat inside of a sandwich.
Yes. It's a sandwich, baby. Peace out. Thanks for coming to Permissionless.
Awesome.
Thank you.